People used to bring me slow computers constantly when I owned my computer repair shop, and honestly, sometimes the computer wasn't even the problem. One customer brought me the same PC 3 different times because she said it was unbelievably slow. I checked the hardware, I checked Windows, I checked for viruses, nothing was wrong. A month later, we finally figured out what it was. She was still using dial-up internet in 2012. Now, after years of repairing computers, I've noticed slow PCs usually has one of these 10 problems. Some are common, some are preventable, and number 8 was so disgusting I still remember it years later. Number 1, the internet is slow and not the computer. This is way more common than people think. Most people today use their computers for mainly browsing the internet, watching videos, social media, streaming. So when pages load slowly, people instantly blame the computer. But sometimes the website is slow, the Wi-Fi is weak, the browser cache is messed up, or the internet connection itself has an issue. And if you have 40 tabs open while streaming videos on a device in the house, yeah, things might feel a little slow. Before assuming the computer is dying, run an internet speed test. Reboot the router. Clear the browser cache. And close some tabs. Sometimes a slow PC is actually a slow internet. And trust me, the next one was everywhere. Number 2, too many startup programs. You buy a brand new computer and it boots instantly. Then 2 years later, you press the power button, go make coffee, come back, and Windows is still loading. Most of the time, the issue wasn't Windows itself, it was startup programs. I had one computer come into the shop with over 30 things starting automatically when the computer booted. Printer software, music apps, toolbars, random free programs, update managers, half the stuff the customer didn't even know he had. I disabled most of it, removed a bunch of junk programs, and the customer emailed me later saying the computer felt brand new again. Not every program needs to launch when your PC starts, and honestly, some people are probably watching this right now waiting for their computer. 3 is a common one. Too many browser tabs open. I know somebody watching this video has 50 tabs open right now. No lie. I did a service call once, and this guy said he could barely use his PC. Barely functional. When I opened up the computer, he had 50 tabs open on his browser. Some even the same website. Honestly, I was surprised the browser even reacted to the mouse. When I started closing the tabs, he stopped me and said, "Wait, I need those tabs open or I'll never be able to find the site again." I showed him bookmarks. I showed him history. The service call basically turned into browser 101. Modern browsers use a lot of RAM. The more tabs you keep open, the slower things get, especially on older laptops or older machines. Now, browser tabs cause a lot of slowdown, but fake PC cleaners are a complete disaster. Number 4, fake PC cleaners. Years ago, these things were everywhere. Speed up your PC, clean your register. Your computer has 9,000 errors. Most of them were garbage. Some were basically malware. I remember getting calls from customers saying Microsoft called me and said my computer has a virus. I respond, no, they didn't. Microsoft is not randomly calling people because your computer has errors. One customer actually got mad at me because the scammers convinced her I had installed a virus at my repair shop on her PC. The scammers charged her money, remotely connected to her PC, and probably left more junk behind than they removed. If you see random pop-ups telling you your PC is infected, your registry is broken, or your computer is in danger, don't click anything. And if you think that causes problems, wait till you hear what happens when the computer runs completely out of space. 5, The drive was completely full. Windows needs free space to function properly, and I constantly seen this problem in my shop. One customer came in, he just upgraded his RAM, just installed a new terabyte hard drive, and said his system was still slow and he couldn't understand it. I opened the computer and looked, and there was 2 drives in there. There was a new drive and there was the old drive. The old drive held Windows, and it was completely full. There was no breathing room. Windows couldn't run. It was struggling. Once I moved files off the old drive and onto the new drive, the computer started functioning correctly, or more responsive. Your operating system needs free space, updates, cache files, temporary files, virtual memory. When the drive is maxed out, the whole system can feel sluggish, but low storage isn't the only hardware that slows down the system. Number 6, not enough RAM. This is one that can mimic a lot of other problems. Slow programs, browser lag, freezing, shuttering. A lot of cheaper computers ship barely with enough RAM to keep the modern software comfortable. And once you start opening browsers, video games, office apps, streaming software, it adds up fast. One upgrade that generally helps older systems is adding more RAM, especially if the machine only has 4 to 8 gigs. And the next problem used to absolutely destroy browsers. Number 7, malware and browser junk. People would install toolbars, browser helpers, extensions, coupon assistants, and suddenly the browser would just stop or come close to it. And suddenly the browser would redirect searches, open random tabs, show non-stop ads, or crawl to a halt. I've seen browsers that had a whole page of extensions all enabled. Honestly, I don't know how they were able to browse the internet. If you don't use an extension regularly, disable it. And if your browser all of a sudden starts acting weird, the chances are high that something was installed. Now, I mentioned earlier how number 8 was disgusting. I'm not exaggerating. Number 8, overheating and dust. This is one that caused some absolute horrifying repair jobs. I had a customer bring in a laptop that kept shutting down and running slow. I looked at the vents and immediately asked, "Do you have cats?" She looked confused and said yes. When I had the laptop in the back, I opened the laptop and pulled out enough cat hair that could build another cat. The cooling fans were completely clogged. Once it was cleaned out, the laptop ran perfectly again. But the worst one, a guy brought in an all-in-one PC that wouldn't turn on. I noticed the vents were blocked, so I took it out back to blow it out. Good thing I did. I opened the case and it was full of cockroaches. I closed the case. I immediately called the customer. That computer was not coming back into my shop. Dust, pet hair, smoke, and block fans can absolutely destroy cooling performance. And when the computer overheats, they slow themselves down to prevent damage. Honestly, after that repair, every strange computer smell made me nervous. Number 9, the hard drive is failing. Before SSD drive, failing hard drives was a very, very common complaint for the reason PCs were slow. Programs would freeze, files would take forever to open, the system would randomly hang. I had one customer bring in a computer. He needed a file desperately. You could see the file, then when you clicked on it, it would just spin and spin and spin. The icon on the screen, not the drive itself. The actual drive itself was actually stopping. So I took the computer and I manipulated the drive and I moved it around and got it. I was able to copy the file over. I called him on the phone and I said, we need to copy all these files now because the hard drive is failing. Or it's already failed. But he didn't want to spend the money. A few weeks later, he came back in, all sad. The hard drive was completely gone. He couldn't even see it. This is why backups matter. If your computer suddenly becomes unusually slow, especially while opening files or saving files, back up your files immediately. The drive could be failing. Now, finally, the last problem, 10, people don't want to hear about. Number 10, your
expectations were unrealistic.
Sometimes the computer wasn't actually broke. People would try running modern software on an old PC and expect it to perform the same as on a brand new computer. Technology moves, programs become more demanding, web browsers become heavier, operating systems evolve. At some point, older hardware just struggles. There's no amount of optimization tip that can fully fix a 15-year-old laptop to run modern software. Sometimes the real answer, the computer is just old. After years of repairing computers, those were some of the most common reasons people thought their PCs were slow. And honestly, sometimes the fix was simple. Other times, there were cockroaches involved. Let me know in the comments, what was the worst slow computer problem you ever dealt with? And if your computer is running slow right now, hopefully one of these helped.